If you're using your Samsung Galaxy A15 and if you're finding any difficulty in your given options and would like to again go for a factory reset, how do you do that? We are going to see in this video. If you're new to this channel, kindly subscribe the channel, like and share the video. So to get into that particular factory reset, initially you have to get into this settings icon. Just tap it here on settings icon. Upon tapping, you would be given so many options here, out of which you have to get into general management section. Under the general management section, tap it here. You will find so many options here. Again, scroll up somewhere, you will get this reset option. Just tap it on this reset option. Upon tapping, this would be again giving so many options here, out of which if you scroll down entirely at the end, you will be getting this option for factory data reset. This is the one which you have to tap it, show you all those things. Factory reset can be happening here on just tapping this reset. That's all. Boom, your entire data will be erased and it would come back to the factory condition. So be aware that you have to change your you have to store your data, whatever is stored in this mobile, somewhere, so that you won't lose any data by doing the factory reset. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next one. Till then, bye bye. Subscribe the channel, like and share the video.